Well, we now have our dwarf beans under net. Keep the little critters out and looking very healthy. So they came straight from the polytunnel. We have a beautiful day here again today. Lovely blue skies. Anne's working away. She's planting out sugar snap peas. And the other peas will go on the other side. I have to pull back that mulch and put some more soil in there, because if you put that mulch down there like that, it will rob the plants of nitrogen. But it's just a bit of a weed suppressant for the time being. So we put that down about a month ago just to protect the soil and hold the moisture in. Hello Anne, good morning.
Good morning, Al.
What are you up to?
Just planting the sugar snap peas, and I'm just making sure I don't, which I have. We put in beetroot. I put in beetroot yesterday, just very small ones.
Lovely.
All along here. So yeah, so they're. I started them on the 16th of September, and it's now the 20th of October. So
here are the seedlings that Anne grew on in the polytunnel, which you can see in the distance there. And these are the beds we did yesterday and the day before. The cabbages growing in the middle there. So those cabbages were actually grown on by Alison, our daughter, the last month or so while we were in Ireland.
yeah.